Hello, all lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Kartika Nair. And it's been a long time since I posted a long form video. Of course, I've been posting shorts and all, but still, I guess I was too occupied with myself to post any long form video because there's a lot of effort when you put a long form video, the editing, filming, and all those stuff. But, anyways, so my name is Kartika Nair, if I did say that or not. Anyways, today's video is going to be my product empties video. It consists of bath products, one or two makeup products, and few perfumes and body mists. So, I'm not that great at using products to the full. Like, थोड़ा सा बच जाता है, around 90% use कर लेती हूँ. I'm very good at that. But 10% to 20% भी रह जाता है. And whenever new products come, I have a tendency to buy those products. I try to experiment with them, use them properly. But that also doesn't get emptied. So, थोड़ा बहुत रह जाता है and clutter हो जाता है, अपना vanity clutter हो जाता है. But I want to improve this habit and start using products to their fullest potential. So, whatever products I'll be showing you have not been emptied completely, but they're almost empty. So without further ado, let's get into this. First product is a makeup product, and this product is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm in the shade 220. So, almost use ho chuka hai. As you can see, I've hit the pan quite well. But as you know, my habit thoda bahut to reh hi jata hai. But to be honest, I really love this product because, it's not a setting powder, it's like a powder foundation. So, it really can be used instead of a foundation. Like, आप एक प्राइमर लगा सकते हो and उसके ऊपर से आप ये पाउडर लगा लो या फिर कंसीलर. पाउडर मस्त लगेगा, फाउंडेशन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So, I just feel it's really good, very soft. And it feels like nothing on your skin. Normally powder foundations feel a little heavy now, but it doesn't feel like that. And it gives such a beautiful effect on the skin, like a blurred effect. Like pores minimize ho jata hai. So I really like this product. And it doesn't break me out, the best part, because I am very acne prone. So I always prefer makeup products which are non-comedogenic and don't, break me out. So that's a plus point. So this is really good. And it had a sponge and all, and I bought from Sephora. So it's a really good product. I love it. Next is this Essence Fix and Last 18-hour Makeup Fixing Spray. So I bought this also around last year from a local shop here, from the Essence counter. And I have a love and hate relationship with setting sprays. Like, they sometimes suit me. I don't know the function of a setting spray. Normally when I do my makeup, I'll just simply thopify some products onto my face and don't feel the urge to use a setting spray actually, because I feel setting powder does better for my skin rather than a setting spray. I feel setting spray starts to segregate my makeup and starts to feel patchy. Maybe I don't know how to use a setting spray, pata nahi, but this setting spray, it didn't do much for me because Mars ka setting spray is even better than this. Like, it's like little bit less pricey than this, but still it does the job very well. Oh, that's more fine. The mist is more fine. This is like blotchy, I feel. So I didn't like this product that much, and it didn't do much for me. Pretty average. So I didn't like this product. In skincare, I don't have that much. I have only one product with me, and that is this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, and it's SPF 50 PA++++. Relieves sun with rice and probiotics. So it's a Korean kind of a sunscreen brand. I love this sunscreen. It's almost finished. I have to order one more sunscreen for me from this brand itself, like this variety only. It has an aqua also, but I don't know about it. But in Dubai, my skin tends to be very dry, so this acts like a wonderful thing for me. Like, इतना सॉफ्ट हो जाता है स्किन. यू डोंट नीड अ मॉइस्चराइजर एंड इवन अ प्राइमर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक, बहुत सॉफ्ट हो जाता है स्किन, डजंट ब्रेक मी आउट. इट्स सो गुड. लाइक, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द स्किन ऑल्सो. प्लस पॉइंट है, मॉइस्चराइजर, प्राइमर और सनस्क्रीन का काम कर लेता है. सो इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग. दिस इज so needed for people who have dry skin. So all the dry skin girlies out there, you need this product in your life. It's going to do magic for you. And I feel it improves blemishes also. I don't know if it's true or not, but putting sunscreen somehow improves the texture of your skin because it protects you from those harmful UV rays, right? I really love this. And maybe sometimes in Indian summers, I guess you cannot use this that much because it may make your skin too oily if you have oily skin, but for dry skin, it's amazing. I really love this emptied product. Next is this body lotion from Guess. Actually, I got this as a gift set, and it consisted of a big size perfume, a small mini bottle perfume, and this lotion. So I guess the perfume notes are mentioned in the website, but maybe the notes are similar to what are in the perfume in the lotion as well. But this is almost finished. Little bit thoda सा बच जाता है. I used to daily use it after my shower because lotions रह जाते हैं. There are 1 or 2 lotions still in my vanity, and I thought चलो ये ख़त्म कर लेता अच्छे से उसके बाद. Plus I love the color of this bottle. It's really pretty. It smells really fruity, like very fresh. So and it lasts for a long time. Normally I take night showers and उसके बाद लगा लेती हूँ, तो it lasts for a good 3 to 4 hours because मुझे time लगता है सोने में. So yeah, it's really good. And some of the fragrance notes which I read are, so it's fruity, floral भी है, green apple. See, I told you, fruity है, green apple, bergamot, strawberry, mandarin, peony, magnolia, freesia, peach, jasmine, on and on. Ingredients है इसमें, amber, musk इतना feel नहीं हो रहा, more of a fruity notes I feel in it. So it's really good. It's a pretty basic body lotion according to me. Nothing great about it. I mean, I have used better body butters than this, so it's an average thing, but it's good. It moisturizes. It doesn't make your skin very, oily and all. It's like the perfect moisture it gives to your skin. So it's a good try. You can try this product for sure. Next is this Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo from OGX. So my hair actually tends to be on the thinner side. It's straight, pretty fine, not very thick, like average type of hair है मेरा. And I colored my hair also. So maybe I may need Color Protect shampoo also, but I don't use it. I mean, I just use normal shampoo, sulfur free shampoo, and I'm done with it. कभी कभी मैं कंडीशनर भी यूज़ नहीं करती, तो इसके साथ कंडीशनर भी आया था, बट I don't like have the patience to put conditioner on my hair and do all that jazz. But anyways, this shampoo didn't do much for me. It was like, I don't know, body products I don't understand them. Like I use them and all, but I can't give a full-fledged review on them. Like it was good. Like it has vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein, which makes your hair thicker, fuller. But I guess हर कोई shampoo मेरे hair को ठीक रखता है. It mustn't dry out my hair that much, but I don't know, it's about the water and all that my hair falls a lot in Dubai. India में इतना नहीं होता, maybe because the water has more minerals in it. So this didn't do anything specific for my hair, but I use serums and sometimes hair masks. Oiling तो मैं करती भी नहीं हूँ. It was a basic average shampoo, doesn't do any wonders. I mean, maybe I may try some other variants in this brand, like the Moroccan one. People say Moroccan is good, but I don't know about this. This is okay. That next is this body mist from Plum. It's this body loving body mist, feeling so rose. So it has like fresh floral top notes, green pear, and heart notes are rose, peony, and violet. Base is musk, sandalwood. So it's not a perfume, so it will not last for a long period of time. But what I didn't like about it, smell is good. It smells very fresh, kind of a scent like roses and all. And I love roses scents. People say it's very cliche. Roses are not cool. Amber is good. Sandalwood, musk. That's what's trending, right? But roses, people have like little problem with that, like with strawberry and rose. But I love such scents a lot. I don't like aqua scents that much. But anyways, problem with this is that it's dispenser. It sometimes dispenses the perfume pretty well, body mist, but sometimes इट्स लिटिल ब्लॉची, इट डजंट कम आउट ओनली, तो मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया, तो थोड़ा इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत रह गया मेरा, बिकॉज कभी कभी दिस परफ्यूम डजंट बॉडी मिस्ट डजंट कम आउट ऑफ द बॉटल, सो इट जस्ट पीसेस मी ऑफ अ लिटिल बिट. अदरवाइज scent is really good, very fresh after the shower. Putting this and moving around is really fun. You feel more fresh, you feel more energetic and happy, your mood elevates. So I really love about it. There are other variants too, like orchid, mimosas and all. I'll try them in future, but unfortunately this is not available in Dubai markets, so I had to go to India and buy it, then only I'll be able to use it again. Next product is this Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom. I'm so proud I used this product finally till the end. It's completely done, and it has its notes are like Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine, blushing sandalwood. So it's like it's a very classy scent. You know that aftershave lotion wala scent, थोड़ा मुझे वैसे लगा मुझे. It is very nice sophisticated scent, body mist, not a perfume, so don't expect it to last for a long period of time, but it will last for a good 3 to 4 hours. I really love this bottle. Actually, Bath and Body Works bottles look so cute when you keep it in a vanity and all, no? So I really like this. But more than this, I like their other scents, rose scents. I mean, I'm gravitated towards such scents, but I just love this. Hey, thoda sa bacha hai. It's nice. It's very it's not fruity or floral, it's more like musky, according to me. It's very luxurious. Yeah, that's what I would like to say about it. So last and not the least is this Studio West, like from West Side, rose perfume. So there's like one drop left. I really love this scent. Like it's little towards a luxury side smell. Like it's not rose, it's like when you buy a fresh leather bag, like handbag, the smell that comes, a fresh scent, that kind of scent I feel like this tries to give me. So its top note is lemon. I didn't smell lemon anywhere in this perfume. Middle notes are spicy. It's definitely a little spicy as a perfume. May rose, blackcurrant, peony, raspberry, peach. Nothing fruity about it. More like spicy, rosy kind of a smell. And its base notes are white musk, amber, agarwood, heliotrops and sandalwood. Sandalwood, yeah, definitely. I could smell sandalwood in it, rose and musk and amber. Those are the scents which are very prominent in this, but nothing floral. Floral है, but fruity कुछ नहीं लगा मुझे इसके बारे में. But it's very like your basic scent, I feel, but more towards a luxury kind of a scent. It's not fresh. It's good for evening getaway, night out or things, and it's really good. It lasts for a decent amount of time, and you can reapply it if you have a small diffuser, dispenser kind of bottle. You can put that in it, and you can just go about with your handbag. So yes, these were all the empty products that I had. Almost empty products. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So I would like to say makeup and all is like content is getting little overwhelming for me, so I may shift my content from makeup to something else, because buying makeup, hoarding them, not getting PR is something not cool. So I cannot keep on investing in makeup, and that simply sits in vanity, so it's not of any use, right? So I may shift my content to more lifestyle from now onwards, maybe. So till then, maybe this may be my last makeup, or maybe I will post makeup videos, but not in a greater frequency, maybe less. That's what I mean to say, if you understand it. So yeah, this was all about today's video. If you like this, please subscribe. So till then, I will meet you in the next video, and bye.